Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is a very big expression which contains a basic operation, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So we have to solve this quiz and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list we have 4 answers: 13, 0, infinity and 5. So we have to see after solving this which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's move towards to understand about what are the rules which we will follow to solve this expression. Basically, as we know that we have BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. These rules say if your expression contains any bracket and parentheses, so first you have to solve that part first. So this is the step 1. And after that, you have to see any power or exponent if your expression contains. So you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to go in your expression left to right and find out the division and multiplication. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Basically, both has similar precedent, division and multiplication. So if the division is coming first, if you are going left to right, so you can solve division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. So we can solve addition first if addition is coming, if we are going left to right. And if subtraction is coming, left, we are going left to right, so we can solve the subtraction first. Now, move forward to solve this expression. As for given expression, we have 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 6 divided by 3, and we have another bracket which is curly bracket and rounded bracket and plus 5. So we have to solve according to the BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. We have to solve this part first. So as we can solve this part, so we will write other part as it is. This one we will write as it is, and we can multiply. And this part is 6 and minus is given. Minus plus 2 3s are 6. So it becomes 6. And here we have the curly bracket and plus 5. Okay, now we will give here reference this for this part. So minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 equals to 6. Because minus plus, so it becomes plus 6, right? It becomes plus 6. Now, we will move forward to next step. Now, again, we have another bracket, which is 6 minus 6. So we will solve this part, and other part we will write as it is. So we will write 0 plus 5. And again, we will give reference here. 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Now, according to the BODMAS and PEMDAS rule, we have to solve the exponent or power of any number. So here we have the exponent. So we will solve this one. We will write 2 2s are 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 3 minus 0. 3 multiplied by 0 plus 5. And again, we will give the reference here, right? 4. Now, our expression does not contain any bracket or power. So now we have to move left to right. So now we will move forward to left to right and see multiplication and division. So here, if you see in this, so here we have this part coming first. So we will multiply these two terms. So 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6 equals to 24. And other part we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference. So it becomes 4 multiplied by 6 equal to 24. Now again we have to go left to right. And okay, some people says like we will solve this part first. Some will say like we will solve 3 multiplied by 0 equals to 0, and then 24, they say like it becomes 24 divided by 0 and plus 5. And after that, if they will solve this, left will go left to right and say like this part is becomes the infinity. So here we will insert infinity. This is the infinity plus 5. And if we will add infinity plus 5, so it becomes also infinity because the number is very big and we do not know, so it becomes the infinity. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, this one is not correct. This step is not correct. Not this one. Like this part, if you are removed like left to right, and this part is not correct. So this is wrong. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, you have to go left to right here and see. First, you have to solve not this part, not this one. First, you have to solve this one, this part. So it becomes 24 divided by 3 equals to, it becomes equals to 8. And multiply by 0 plus 5. And here we will give the reference 24 divided by equals to 3 equals to 8. Now, again, we have to go left to right and see 8 multiplied by 0 equals to 0 plus 5. There are two terms which are subtracting, which are adding each other. So here we have the answer is 5. So as you can see, if you follow a correct rule to solve this expression, so you will get the answer is 5, not infinity. So I think you understand like how you can solve this expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS rule and get the correct result. So if you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer, not C. So thank you. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. One more thing, we have added another playlist which is related to English grammar quizzes. So you can follow that playlist as well. Yesterday we upload a video on English grammar test. So you can solve that one as well. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.